My name is Kanish Agarwal and I am the Chief Operating Officer at Agua. It is estimated that two-thirds of the global population will face water shortages by 2025. India is amongst those countries where the ongoing water crisis impacts close to 600 million people every year. Only 62% households in urban India receive treated water today. A report by Niti Aayog states that 21 Indian cities, including Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad, will run out of groundwater by the end of this year. Climate change is changing our rainfall patterns, and our Himalayan glaciers are melting at a faster pace than ever before. To counter this crisis, it's extremely important that we implement solutions to help optimize our water resources. To do this, there are multiple solutions that facility managers in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings can implement today. These include rainwater harvesting to increase their groundwater supply and deploying mechanical devices like aerators to reduce the consumption of water. Aerators are small attachments that are fitted on top of faucets to reduce water flow rate. Another important solution that should be deployed by the building management is recycling of wastewater. Governments across India today have implemented policies that mandate the usage of sewage treatment plants and effluent treatment plants for recycling in buildings. However, the current STP-ETP technologies face major issues which hinder their widespread use. The primary problem is that STPs by their nature are hazardous working environments. Due to this, employee turnovers are as high as 40% in 2 months. Moreover, there is no efficient mechanism to check the quality of the treated water in real time. By ensuring that the quality of the treated water meets the required guidelines, the water can easily be redirected for reuse in flushing, gardening, and cooling towers within the building itself. Moreover, by lowering the overall water demand, we can considerably lower the stress on our freshwater resources. Our solution ensures a considerably lower cost of water usage, treatment, and recycling for the facility. Realizing these problems, Agua set forth on the mission to automate the functioning of sewage treatment plants by utilizing our IoT technology infrastructure. Agua is a line of IoT solutions wherein multiple sensors and actuators interface with a mobile application to provide the customer access to real-time monitoring and control of their facility, including their sewage treatment plant. Our solution automates every process within a sewage treatment plant, that is flow of sludge between individual tanks, automated chemical dosing, and real-time quality monitoring of treated water. Agua has built multiple technologies for smart water management, including automated distribution, fair usage-based billing, and leakage detection in underground pipelines and tanks. We at Agua believe that the first step towards conservation begins with awareness. On the occasion of World Environment Day, let us all pledge to save water and reduce the burden on our natural resources. Remember, every little drop makes a huge impact.